Good morning, students. Today we are going to understand next sum from accounting for debentures. Sum number 22. Hiteshi Limited issued 10,000 11% debentures of rupees 200 each on 1st April 2014 at a premium of 6%, which redeemable at a premium of 10% on 31st March 2020. According to provisions of Companies Act, the required investment was made in 7% Gujarat state government unencumbered securities on April 30 of the financial year in which redemption is due. For the redemption of debentures, the provision for money is to be made out of capital. Debentures were redeemed on the due date. Pass general entries for issue and redemption of debentures. Also prepare debenture redemption investment account and debenture redemption reserve account. Let's start. First entry, 1st April 2014, bank account debit to 11% debenture application and allotment account. Total 10,000 debentures are given. 200 per debenture is face value and 6% is premium. So 200 6% means 12 rupees. 212 multiplied by 10,000 means 21 lakh 20,000. 21 lakh 20,000. Then narration being amount of application and allotment is received on 10,000 debentures at rupees 212 per debenture. Then second entry, 1/4/2014, 11% debenture application and allotment account debit. Here you will see that the company issue the debentures at premium and also redeemed them with premium. So here loss will be occurred. So we will leave one line in debit side and one line in credit side. Then 11% debentures account, to security premium reserve account. So 21 lakh 20,000 will be transferred to 11% debenture application and allotment account, and face value 10,000 multiplied by 200 will be transferred to 11% debentures account. Then premium is here 6% means 12 rupees will be transferred to security premium reserve account 1,20,000, and here redeemable premium is 10% means 200's 10% is 20 rupees. Then these amounts are transferred to loss on issue of debenture account debit and as well as to premium on redemption of debenture account. So amount will be 10,000 multiplied by 20 means 2 lakh rupees. So in credit side as well as debit side 2 lakh. Then narration being amount of application and allotment is transferred to debenture and premium account, and premium on redemption of debenture is occurred at rupees 20 per debenture. Then in the next entry we will invest the amount in debenture redemption investment account, and as on 30th April 2019 debenture redemption investment account debit to bank account, and this amount is 15% of face value, and face value is 20 lakh. 20 lakhs 50% is 3 lakh. Then narration being investment is made 15% of the face value of debentures. Then students, here the rate of interest on investment is also given, and it is 7%, and at the time of sale we will calculate 7% debentures from 30th April 2019 to 31st March 2020, means for 11 months interest will be earned here. So the investments are sold at the time of redemption, means as on 31st March 2020. Then we will sell them, bank account debit to debenture redemption investment account to interest earned account. Then the value of investments are 3 lakh. Then we have to calculate interest on 3 lakh at 7%, means 7 upon 100, and for 11 months 11 upon 12. Then 3 lakh multiply by 7% multiply by 11 divided by 12. The amount will be 19,250, and total amount will be transferred to bank account 3,19,250. Then narration being debenture redemption investment is sold, and 11 months interest is earned. Then students, we have to prepare here debenture redemption investment account. Then these two entries will be transferred to debenture redemption investment accounts debit side as well as credit side. So entry will be transferred as on 30th 4/19 to bank account 3 lakh, and credit side when we will sell them by bank account 3 lakh, then total 3 lakh and 3 lakh, and in the next entry we will transfer an amount, a necessary amount, to debenture redemption reserve account. Here it is written that the provision for money is to be made out of capital, means we have to transfer 25% of face value of debentures to debenture redemption reserve account. So the entry will be, as on 31st March 2020, surplus in statement of P&L account, means profit and loss account, debit to debenture redemption reserve account. So 20 lakhs 25% means 5 lakh. Then narration being 25% of the face value of debentures is transferred to debenture redemption reserve account from profit. Then we will post this entry to debenture redemption reserve account, credit side 31st March 2020, by surplus in statement of P&L account 5 lakh. Then in the next entry we will make provision to redeem the debentures. So 31st March 2020, 11% debentures account debit, premium on redemption of debenture account debit to debenture holders account. So 11% debentures account 20 lakh, 2 lakh premium on redemption of debenture account, and we will pay to debenture holders 22 lakh. Then narration being provision is made for redemption of debentures. After that we will pay the amount to debenture holders. So 31st March 2020, debenture holders account debit to bank account. ₹22 lakh. Then in narration being amount is paid to debenture holders. Then in the next entry, debenture redemption reserve account will be transferred to general reserve account. Then March 2020 debenture redemption reserve account debit to general reserve account, and 5 lakh amount is transferred to general reserve account. Then narration being debenture redemption reserve account is transferred to general reserve account, and we will post this entry to debenture redemption reserve account debit side 31st March 2020 to general reserve account. After that we will make total and we will get both side same total 5 lakh. Then here we have given interest earned entry, so we have to close this entry, so interest earned account will be transferred to statement of P&L account. As on 31st March 2020 interest earned account debit to statement of P&L account. The interest was 19,250. Narration being interest is transferred to statement of P&L account. Then students, we will make the total 21,20,000 plus 21,20,000 plus 2 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 3,19,250 plus 5 lakh plus 20 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 22 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 19,250. The total will be 1,04,78,500. Then total amount one crore 4,78,500, 1,04,78,500. देन स्टूडेंट्स इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है हमारा सम नंबर 22. नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ. स्टूडेंट्स आपको हमारा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.